What's up everybody, welcome to another honest review video. Today I have 4 different charging bricks from the same brand, CUKTECH. Yeah, the name of this brand actually came from the inventor, Slobodan Chuk, who has invented DC to DC voltage converter. Okay, the high efficiency, low ripple and flexibility of the Chuk circuit not only meet the demand for modern, efficient energy utilization, but also signify CUKTECH's commitment towards the technological innovation. Yeah, I have reviewed some of their power banks and now I am here with some of their 3rd generation GaN charging bricks. I personally like these bricks, and as I'm in love with these, so I've thought that okay, I should share my honest opinion with my subscribers and regular viewers. Well, before we start the video, one request: if you end up liking this video, then please don't forget to click on the like button and please subscribe to this channel. Support honest content. Well, this one is CUKTECH 65 watt GaN charger. As I mentioned earlier, this one is a 3rd generation GaN charger. CUKTECH has printed some of the specifications at the back. If you wanna check, then you can check by yourself. Well, let's unwrap and check the product. Well, here is CUKTECH P-Series GaN Charger, 65 watt max instant charging, charging multiple devices simultaneously via 3 ports, and definitely this one is a lightweight and very much portable. What I like about CUKTECH is they always provides convenience to life. This one comes with a foldable prong, so yeah, we can easily fold it and put it in our travel bag or anywhere. So this one takes less space, easy to carry around, and not gonna hurt other products or the clothes if we are gonna put this one inside our travel bag. This CUKTECH P-Series GaN charger is compatible with almost every charging protocol. Yeah, this one supports PD, this one supports PPS. This CUKTECH P-Series 65 watt GaN charger also supports Xiaomi's proprietary charging and definitely supports Apple's charging protocol. So we can recharge any Apple or Android device along with Nintendo Switch or any other gadgets that we wanna recharge. CUKTECH always implements a very good safety measurement. This one has 8 different protection mechanisms which actually shields against any accidental damage like overvoltage, overcurrent, short circuits and many more. Yeah, the unibody shell of this charging brick is made of V0 material which is resistant to fire and high temperature. Okay, let's talk about the charging speed of these ports. If you are gonna use a single port, the C1 port offers 65 watt maximum, the C2 also offers 65 watt maximum, the USB-A port offers 22.5 watt maximum. If we use C1 plus C2, then we are gonna get 45 watt from the C1 and 18 watt from the C2. If we are gonna use USB-C1 along with the USB-A port, then we are gonna get 45 watt and 18 watt respectively. If we are gonna use USB-C2 along with USB-A, then we are gonna get total output of 15 watt. If you are someone like me, then you will use all 3 ports, and yeah, when all 3 ports are in action, the C1 will offer 45 watt maximum and the C2 along with the USB-A will offer 12 watt max in total. So actually, depending on my requirement, I use different ports in different combinations, and in any type of combination, this CUKTECH P-Series GaN charger offers the fastest charging speed. What makes me happy and satisfied is CUKTECH products always offers stable output. I have never seen any surge, and yeah, I have already mentioned this one comes with 8 different predictive measurements, so I can recharge my very expensive gadgets and devices without worrying about anything using this CUKTECH GaN 3rd generation P-Series charging brick. Okay, talking about compatibility, let me be very clear. All of these 4 CUKTECH products actually supports and is compatible with almost all the available charging protocol. It doesn't matter whether you're gonna use this one with a MacBook or with an iPhone or with a Samsung device or with any other Android device, maybe Nintendo Switch or some other unknown devices. These CUKTECH chargers will always offer the fastest charging speed at a stable rate. And as I've just mentioned, this P-Series charger has integrated a different type of predictive measurement. Actually, all of these 4 chargers comes with those predictive measurement. So you don't have to worry about anything when you are gonna use these CUKTECH charging bricks. There is another thing in common is Yeah, CUKTECH has actually spent a lot of money in their R&D, and they have implemented this new technology which will detect temperature 36,000 times every hour. That means the temperature is actually checked every 0.1 seconds, and if there is a fluctuate, then these charging bricks will stop recharging the device that is connected to these charging bricks. So yeah, that's really offers peace of mind. And yeah, all of these chargers comes with built-in high efficiency heat dissipation technology. Talking about heat dissipation technology, let's talk about the size. This is CUKTECH's Ultra Slim 65 watt charger, which comes with two USB-C ports. Let's unwrap. Yeah, here is our CUKTECH Ultra Slim dual port charging brick. Look at this. They really have designed this with care, and they definitely have a very good R&D division, because this is not only a part of the design language, this also helps to dissipate heat efficiently and effectively. As I mentioned earlier, all the CUKTECH charging bricks comes with folding prongs, so yeah, we can always fold or unfold it. If we are gonna use it, unfold it. Not gonna use it, fold it. And yeah, okay, I really like this design. They have placed these USB ports in the correct position. Look at this, there is a distance between the USB-C ports, so even if we are gonna use different type of USB-C cables from different brands, none of those are gonna get congested. One port has blue accent and another has black accent, because these two ports actually offers different maximum output. The blue accent is actually the USB-C 1 port, which offers 65 watt maximum, and the black one is the USB-C port, which offers 20 watt maximum output. When we are going to use both the ports at the same time, there are two combinations that we can get. We can get either 31 plus 18 or 45 plus 10 watt maximum. This is a very good solution for MacBook Air 2022 or even for MacBook Pro 13-inch edition. And yeah, there is one thing, that is the proprietary transformer on board, TOB. That technology makes this charger 70% smaller than traditional GaN charger in size, but at the same time can provide very fast charging speed, and that is even at a very stable rate. So one more time, whatever you are gonna charge using this charging brick, all the charging protocols are supported and almost all the devices will get charged at a very fast charging speed. Personally, I'm in love with this 65 watt Ultra Slim adapter. Yeah, this one is actually even better than Honky Dory. Holy moly, really. How can they have made this so very thin, light and small, and at the same time super fast? Maybe. Here this thing is so very appropriate. The thing is tiny yet mighty. Okay, the third one is actually the one that I use with my MacBook Pro M1 Pro. Yes, this one is a 65 watt charging brick, and my MacBook Pro M1 Pro supports even more than 100 watt charging speed. But as this one offers a very stable and reliable charging speed, and as this one is super small, okay, let me unbox and show you. Maybe I just have shown this one earlier in this video. Okay, look at this. 65 watt charger, yet very small, thin, lightweight, portable, comes with very good quality foldable prongs, and yeah, I have to agree that this one has a very good, very sturdy build quality. Also, CUKTECH has manufactured not only this, all the charging bricks with a V0 fire resistant material. So yeah, definitely this is a very good choice. Considering the price, this is a gem in its class. Now I know you may ask me, why would I need this one? Because there is another 65 watt charger which comes with 3 ports. Well, definitely there is a choice. If you want more ports, then you can go for this 65 watt charger. But if you're gonna use your charger with only one dedicated device all the time, like me, as I use this 65 watt charger with my MacBook Pro M1 Pro, so yeah, in that case this is a very good choice. Also, as this one comes in a package, there is a 2-meter cable included inside this box. Also, the cable is a very good quality one and offers a very fast and reliable charging speed to MacBook Pro. Okay, let's not talk about only MacBook Pro. like Surface Book Pro, iPad Pro, or any other laptop which supports 65 watt or faster charging speed will get this 65 watt charging speed at a very stable rate. And you know what, when I work with my laptop, I always need the fastest charging speed, and I also care about protection. I know I may have already mentioned about over voltage protection, over current protection, short circuit protection, over temperature protection, but have you ever heard about this low electromagnetic interference, low ripple, intelligent charging protocol management? Yeah, these CUKTECH charging bricks comes with intelligent charging protocol management. That means when you connect a device with these charging bricks, it will know instantly what type of charging protocol the device or gadget supports and will offer the maximum output using that protocol. So yeah, this is a very good choice when you are looking for a dedicated charging brick. But yeah, if you are like my girlfriend Tia, okay, if you don't care about the fastest charging speed, maybe your device doesn't even support that type of charging speed, or maybe you just care about convenience. Well, let me show you. Look at this. One more time, tiny yet mighty. Yeah, this one is a 30 watt third generation GaN charger from CUKTECH, and this is truly very small. Too small for my choice, but yeah, Thea loves it. And even if it looks like a tiny little device, this one offers maximum 30 watt output to the devices which supports 30 watt output. And it's really importantly, or should I use interestingly, this one doesn't generate so much heat. It's very easy to carry around. It's so very light. Yeah, this time I have to check the weight. 47.5 grams. That's truly feather light. Definitely this one comes with foldable prongs and also comes with integrated 8 different protective measurements which offers a shield or guard to protect our expensive devices. I have a spec'd out iPhone 14 Pro Max, spec'd out Samsung Galaxy S23 Ultra, spec'd out 1TB Xiaomi Mix Fold 3 and many other very expensive devices and gadgets. My MacBook Pro M1 Pro costs $5,600. My iPad Pro costs more than $1,800 US. So I definitely care about protection, and that's really a very important thing to me. So as all of these 4 charging bricks offers very good protection, stable charging speed, and comes with 18 months of warranty when others are only providing up to 12 months of warranty, how can I not recommend these to my subscribers and regular viewers? Let me be very clear one more time. I use this CUKTECH 65 watt AC 651N charger with my laptops and tablets which actually support 65 watt charging speed. Then there is this CUKTECH 3-port 2C1A 65 watt GaN charger which I use with my different gadgets like with my iPad Pro and my OnePlus tablet along with a smartphone, or maybe when I'm gonna recharge my Nintendo Switch. But as this one is also capable of delivering 65 watt maximum output, I also sometimes use this one with my laptops. And the slimmest one here, yeah, this 2-port 65 watt charger, Ultra Slim Charger. This one isn't available on Amazon yet, but I've got this one from another source. I had to spend a lot of money and pull a lot of strings to get this one. Yeah, that works, because this one is my favorite Ultra Slim charging adapter at this moment. I can use this one with anything, and I always carry this one with me in my pocket wherever I go, whatever I do. This CUKTECH AC60B2 65 watt ultra thin GaN charger goes along with me. And the final one, the last but not the least, this is actually the most important for me because my girlfriend loves this CUKTECH 30 watt GaN charger. Cute, right? Yeah, definitely this is cute, but don't fall for its cuteness because this one is a charging monster. Offers very fast 30 watt charging speed to any devices which supports 30 watt charging protocol. Well, that's all about my favorite charging bricks. At this moment, yeah, that's CUKTECH. I've already reviewed and in love with 2 different power banks of this brand. So if you're interested, you may also check those review videos. I have left the links of these products in the description box below. Go ahead, check these products. If you have liked this video, then please don't forget to click on the like button and please subscribe to this channel. Support honest content.